Welcome to our smartphone gimbal showdown. Today, we're comparing the AOCHUAN M2 Pro and the Comitalk L7C Pro kit. Both of these gimbals offer unique features and capabilities. But which one is the best for your needs? Let's find out as we explore their price, stabilization technology, and additional functionalities. When it comes to price, the AOCHUAN M2 Pro stands out as a budget-friendly option at just $59. In contrast, the Comitalk L7C Pro kit is priced at $99, reflecting its more advanced features and capabilities. For casual users, or those just starting with vlogging, the AOCHUAN M2 Pro offers great value. However, if you're looking for enhanced performance and features, the investment in the L7C Pro kit might be worth it. Stabilization is crucial for capturing smooth footage. The AOCHUAN M2 Pro features a basic one-axis stabilization system, which is suitable for casual use, but may struggle in high-action scenarios. On the other hand, the Comitalk L7C Pro kit boasts advanced three-axis stabilization, providing superior performance for dynamic filming situations, making it ideal for serious content creators. In terms of features, the AOCHUAN M2 Pro includes AI face tracking and a built-in RGB fill light, making it a versatile choice for various shooting scenarios. However, the Comitalk L7C Pro kit takes it a step further, with magnetic AI active tracking, gesture control, and app integration, offering a more comprehensive toolkit for vlogging and content creation. In conclusion, both the AOCHUAN M2 Pro and the Comitalk L7C Pro kit have their strengths and weaknesses. The choice ultimately depends on your budget and filming needs. If you're a beginner looking for an affordable option, the AOCHUAN M2 Pro is a solid choice. However, for those seeking advanced features and superior stabilization, the Comitalk L7C Pro kit is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.